FC Leopards ikorene tugo ma aprochiko koda boro ma mashimeji dabi tok ne chore nyime to gibiro bago tarika 7 mano chieng' Jumapil jumani. Timbe duto ni igeno mar biro loch ka koch mar FC Leopards kod jotugo yango ni ma e kinde makor no gid loch kendo kelo mor ne jora maggi ma oserito kuom higni loyo tuke mag mashimeji dabi. Gor Mahia biro dwaro yudo loch tok ne logi kod APS Bomet.
Kama coach baadhi ya ini ya pressure sio danganya juu the moment utachukulia game kama game nyingine as much as kuna pressure behind it juu wewe kama coach ukijigiza pressure players watafanya nini? Unaenda kwa game walishafungwa, so show the player that hakuna pressure and then waonyeshe kuwa pia wasikuwe na pressure, wacheze game relax but wajue pressure kwa nani kufanya nini kupea tu mafan win.
Timu iko sawa, kila mtu ako set up for the derby. Ni game kubwa, you need motivation. Game yenyewe ni motivation, so kila mtu ako ready for the game na si pia tuna believe ni time turudi back to winning ways. So na kuna game poa kurudi back to winning ways than a derby, so tuko ready. Motivation ni derby.